Welcome to another video. It's been a while since we've done one. This is only going to be a real quick video. The Poor Boys RC 2025 Speedrun Challenge has begun, and this is just going to be a quick shakedown of my Grasshopper. The kits this year, either the Grasshopper or the Hornet, the originals, the OGs. I've just bought this. It's been built completely box stock. The only addition which will be useful in the future, hopefully, is the wheelie bar on the back. But we're running bushings, 380 motor, the standard kit 1060 ESC. Not too sure if you can have a look in there, just about see it. Nickel metal hydride battery at the moment. We're not going to anything crazy. Once we've done the run, I'll just pop the battery compartment, even though this is just a test, it's not an official run, but we'll give it a quick go. Not expecting much speed wise, maybe 10-12 mile an hour, something like that. Yeah, it's a standard Grasshopper at the end of the day. So what we'll do, we've got the thing all powered on at the moment, we're all ready to go. So I've got the GNSS speed app or speed meter in the car. So we go track mode, start. We'll wave the car around just for a little bit. There we go, we can see it's reading. Put that down there. Right, so we'll see how we did with that. Right, so if we go stop and read, there we go, a whole 11 miles an hour, just what we were expecting. So what we'll do, we'll just pop the battery cover off just so as you can see what's in there. Again, nothing crazy. So it's just a regular nickel metal hydride. So the plan this year is to try and just keep it nice and simple. I'm not going to go too crazy with mods apart from maybe motors, things like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pop in a super stock TZ, change nothing else on the car, keep everything the same, just for fun, stick it in there and see what it'll do. But we'll keep that for another video, or the next video, shall we say. So there we go, first run of the season. We're not setting the world on fire here, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you hopefully on the next run. 11 miles an hour to beat. Thanks very much, bye.